Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am doing an unboxing of my 2023 Sterling Ink Common Planner, brand new, just literally got here, and I want to do a face on because I want y'all to see my not see my expression, but hear my expressions when I open this sucker up. So let's get started. All right, so Sterling Ink, brand new planner that she decided to create for herself. She does some beautiful stickers, I can tell you that much. This is a very beautiful box. It's a B6. They come in black and Maui. I ordered the Maui. It was 48 bucks. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to rip it up. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. $48. I purchased the full year. She also has a half year that you can purchase. It has monthlies, it has weeklies, and then it has dailies, but they're undated. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Check it out. It looked like a mini Bible. See, she designed her own planner. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It feels like a mini Bible. That's what it feels like. So if you ever had a mini Bible, that's exactly what this feels like. Oh, the Maui is cute. It's like a pinkish purple kind of color. So I got the full year, as you can see. It's probably a little bit thicker than the Lordstrom. The Lordstrom is usually the one that I use. I should have one. Where are they? And obviously it has more pages because of all the stuff it has. I found my Lordstrom. So here is the Lordstrom compared to the Common Planner. Obviously it's a little bit smaller. Not sure what size is the Lordstrom, but it is a little bit smaller. The cover is pretty thick, but at the same time is really thin compared to the Lordstrom, which it has the thick cover. So for those who want to know what size is a B6, there you go. That's the size of a B6. How did I get this? Well, my sister-in-law, hey Cheryl, she got me into getting this Common Planner because she watches her all the time. I didn't know who Sterling Ink was. So you can see I use all kinds of different planner. Here is my other planner that I've been using for this year. This is a Moleskine extended, and I was using it as daily. Obviously I had to create the pages. No pages are on there. But it was very thick. So compared to this Moleskine, here you go. Check it out. Yeah, you got a lot of space there from the Moleskine. So here you go. Obviously it's the same. Oh look, it's the same. It's just cut a little bit back here from the Moleskine. So this is this year's book. Obviously prior to that it was always Lordstrom books that I was using and creating my own spreads. So wow, I'm so excited. These are awesome. The pages are very thin. Oh my gosh. So you have a 2023 calendar. You have an empty page. So it has squares instead of dots. You have goal breakdown. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And then you have, I guess, quarterly breakdowns again. So this is a full year right here, I guess. Oh, you can do 1 year, half year, quarterly, monthly, and weekly and daily. Then you have spread into quarterlies for your goals. Never done that before. Will I do it? I'm not too sure. I only have one goal in life, and it's to leave and go to Tennessee. So here's your 4 quarters. Obviously this is dated, so you have all the dates on this side very lightly. It does look like it will ghost, probably with some pens. And then it's dated. Look. Oh. So I have every month in here. So the way this layout is, it looks like it's supposed to be like a Hobonichi. So if you're a Hobonichi fan, I've never had a Hobonichi. Actually, I was gonna buy a Hobonichi until she came out with this spread. I mean, with this planner. So it technically is supposed to be sort of like the Hobonichi, but except Hobonichi obviously is from, I think, Japan, China, not sure, one of those places, and it has a bunch of other stuff in here. That's the only difference that I noticed. I've never had a Hobonichi, so I can't really tell you what it has or didn't have, but it has every single month layout. So this is all 2023. And then you have how many months more before you hit your weeklies. Okay, so you have January of 2024, just in case you have some future planning. Then you got your weeklies. So it does give you the end of December starting January 1st, because January did fall on Sunday. It also goes from Monday to Sunday, which is great. And then you have all your weeks. She does mention all the weeks right over here, if you can see that, because it's very small. It says week 1, and then it has a monthly calendar with the actual, not highlighted, but circled, the week that is actually on. So let me get a little closer for you to see that. So it says week 1, and then it has the monthly with the circle around it. All the times, obviously, they are very light. And let's see. So these are every single weeks. All the same, obviously. How big are these squares? I want to say she does go through all this stuff on her video compared to, so it's 3 centimeters each week. Okay, and the space is actually 3 centimeters. She does go through all this on her channel, so if you want more detail on this journal, calendar, planner, you can go to her channel. Then you have your dailies. So this is what interested me, because since I am gonna start using my 2023 for work and personal, like I did with my moleskin, I will be using it for work and personal. Now here is obviously the rest, and it's dated. So they do have, not dated, non-dated, sorry, and then it's page numbered. So here's 1, and then you have 352. Oh no, they gave us more. 369 empty pages. So all of this is non-dated empty pages, obviously, with nothing on there except for the page number. So 369. You got 369, then you have the 12 months. So how many pages do we have? Where's my calculator? We have 369 plus 12 months plus the weeks. We got about 433 pages in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so tiny though. I'm scared. So let me test out some of my pens. The ones that I like the most that I use. And try it out. So my first one that I'm always using is Sharpie. I always use Sharpie. Love these pens. So let's just write on here. Sharpie. As gel. This one is the 0.5. Does it ghost? Writes really smooth. Okay, so you do get a little ghosting, but that's pretty normal with everything in life. It's another pen that I constantly use. I gravitate to would be my microns. Microns are another one that I tend to use. This one is 0.3. I also gravitate towards my Bela pens, Faber-Castell, and where is my pen? That's another one. Should have had these ready, but I was so excited, so excited. Stellar. I do have a pen, dark color, but it's not black, because I did finish the black one. I'll do brown. So this one is micron 0.8. Wow, that's big. So micron. This is 0.8. Same thing. This is micron PN. Obviously it's not black, but still pretty good to do a testing on it. This one is your Stedler. And it's 0.5. Faber-Castell. Small. And my Illustrated Faith. And what size is this? 0.25. This is Illustrated Faith. And I also use, where's my other? Alright, and then I also use these Energel 0.7. So let's see how they ghost. I always use dark colors. I never use anything light. I mean, they ghost a little bit. Nothing is bleeding through for what I love. So I am good with it. I didn't check to see if they smudge. Looks like they do. I think the Energel is smudging. But I did give it a little time before I went and wrote on them. So that's that. You would have to test what you love. But it is so cute to stay flat. It's so small. It's so tiny. It looks like a TN. Like one of those traveler notebooks. But that's it for now. I will check you guys out when I start planning for 2023. Not planning nothing yet. Still early. Right now we're in November. But since I do have December in here, maybe I'll start putting December stuff in there just to start getting adjusted to it. So, but I will not stop using my Moleskine. I really thought I was gonna be able to use my cover, but apparently not, because this cover is way bigger than this. So yeah, this is really small, so I might have to buy myself another cover. You see, I can't. But thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys when I start planning for 2023. Bye guys.